Welcome to the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series 44. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Oh, by the way, I chose a bunch of trucks that aren't in the series that often, so except for Blue Thunder and NEA, just because they're returning trucks. Monster Mutt. Blue Thunder, he's been in almost every Sign Up series, so that's why I put it in. Titan. Purple Gravedigger. Some of these trucks I forgot I even had. Batman. Barbarian. Blue Avenger. Sorry for the noisy video, but I'm tossing the trucks onto the other bin. Color Tread Son of a Digger. Backwards Bob. I've had that truck for a while. Flashback King Crunch. Returning Champ NEA Police. Thrasher. I just realized that this is not a 2014 truck, and I always said that it was. But turns out that it's actually a 2015 truck. There's a drawer right beneath you guys. I'm trying to find the battle summary because it was right in here, but I don't know. But I found its battle slammer. I realized it's not a 2014 truck. Bone Shaker. Lucas Oil. That's the old tool one. This one's like never in a Sign Up series. Tasmanian Devil. The Patriot. Bulldozer. Which I believe this was my second ever truck, if I'm not mistaken. Doomsday. This truck hasn't been in this series in a while. I'm sad that they never re-released Doomsday. Actually, well, technically they did, but they never made it normally, I don't think, ever again. Medusa. Actually, they did re-release Doomsday, so you can see it's right there. I'm being smart. I don't think they ever released it normal ever again without like an edge glow or something. I don't know. Wolverine. This is my beat up one. I couldn't find the normal one. But that's fine. Max D Glow. That other Wolverine still. It goes just fine. He just has paint chips. Retro Carolina Crusher. Devastator. Black Stallion. Zombie. Yellow El Toro Loco. Two trucks just fell. There we go. Dragon's Breath. Red Avenger. Last four. War Wizard. Snow El Toro Loco. Aftershock. And last but not least, Instigator. Those are all the trucks you can choose. I'll see you guys in Series 44, or whatever the next video is. Yeah, bye.